Building a business empire from scratch is an exciting yet challenging journey that many aspiring entrepreneurs dream of embarking on. In this video, we'll explore the essential steps to turn your vision into reality. From identifying your niche to scaling your operations, we'll discuss practical strategies that can help you navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship, ensuring you're well-equipped to face the inevitable hurdles along the way. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your existing business, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and actionable tips. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right mindset and tools, you can build a thriving empire. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and transform your ideas into a successful venture, stay tuned for some game-changing advice. Identifying your niche. Finding and defining your business niche is a crucial step in building a successful empire. Market research plays a vital role in this process, helping you identify profitable niches that align with current trends and consumer needs. Start by analyzing your target audience and their pain points. This will guide you toward opportunities that are ripe for exploration. Additionally, consider your own passions and skills. A niche that resonates with you will not only keep you motivated, but also enhance your authenticity. For inspiration, think about successful niche businesses like eco-friendly products or personalized meal plans. These examples show how focusing on a specific market can lead to remarkable success. By combining thorough research with your unique strengths, you'll be well on your way to carving out a niche that sets you apart from the competition. Creating a business plan. A solid business plan is the backbone of any successful venture, outlining your path to success. Key components include your mission and vision statements, which define your purpose and long-term goals. Additionally, financial projections are crucial. They provide a roadmap for your expected revenue, expenses, and profitability over time. A well-structured plan not only helps you stay focused, but also attracts potential investors who want to see a clear strategy for growth. To make the planning process easier, consider using templates or online tools that can guide you through each section. These resources can save you time and ensure you cover all necessary aspects. Remember, a comprehensive business plan is not just a document. It's a living guide that evolves as your business grows, helping you navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Building your brand. Developing a strong brand identity is essential for standing out in a crowded marketplace. Effective branding differentiates you from competitors and creates a lasting impression on your audience. Start by crafting a memorable logo that reflects your business values and resonates with your target market. Your brand message should be clear and concise, conveying what you stand for and why customers should choose you. Consistency is key. Ensure that your branding elements, such as colors, fonts, and tone, are uniform across all platforms, from your website to social media. This consistency fosters brand recognition and builds trust with your audience. Remember, a well-defined brand not only attracts customers, but also cultivates loyalty, making it a vital component of your business strategy. By investing time and effort into your brand identity, you set the stage for long-term success. Marketing strategies. In today's business landscape, effective marketing strategies are crucial for promoting your business and reaching your target audience. Digital marketing has become a game-changer, allowing you to connect with potential customers in real time. Start by leveraging social media platforms. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience and encourages interaction. Regularly posting updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and customer testimonials can significantly boost your visibility. Additionally, focus on content creation by developing valuable resources like blogs, videos, or infographics that address your audience's needs and interests. This not only establishes your authority, but also drives traffic to your website. Remember, understanding your target audience is key to tailoring your marketing efforts. Conduct surveys or analyze engagement metrics to refine your approach, ensuring your strategies are effective and aligned with what your customers truly want. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel like I am doing right now. In addition, there is a free webinar that goes into greater detail about this course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Financial management, managing finances, is a critical aspect of running a new business, and understanding the basics can set you up for success. Start with budgeting, which involves creating a detailed plan for your income and expenses. This helps you allocate resources effectively and avoid overspending. Accounting is another essential component. Keeping accurate records of all financial transactions ensures you have a clear picture of your business's financial health. Cash flow management is equally important, as it allows you to monitor the money coming in and going out, helping you avoid potential shortfalls. Tracking your expenses and revenues regularly is vital for making informed decisions and identifying areas for improvement. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice when necessary, whether from an accountant or a financial advisor, to ensure you're on the right track and making the most of your financial resources. Scaling your business. Effectively scaling your business requires strategic planning and execution. One key strategy for growth is hiring the right talent. As your business expands, bringing in skilled employees can help you manage increased demand and enhance productivity. Additionally, consider expanding your product lines to attract a broader audience and meet diverse customer needs. Customer feedback plays a crucial role in this process. Actively seek input from your clients to understand their preferences and pain points, which can guide your scaling decisions. This feedback not only helps you refine your offerings, but also fosters customer loyalty. To ensure your growth is sustainable, set measurable goals that allow you to track progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. By focusing on these strategies, you can create a solid foundation for scaling your business successfully and achieving long-term success. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 120 to choose from.